Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the current top reasons to use a VPN. First and foremost is going to be streaming. Every streaming provider, whether it's Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, it doesn't matter which one, it could be Disney Plus, Max, they all offer different content based on your location. So if you were in the US and you wanted to watch a show on Netflix like Friends that's only available in the UK, it just won't be there. Likewise with Prime Video, they have their biggest content library in the United States, so if you're pretty much anywhere else, there's a lot of shows and movies that you just won't be able to watch. The way a VPN solves this is by allowing you to choose exactly which location in the world you want it to seem as if you are when you're using the internet. Now this one right here is called ExpressVPN. It's my personal favorite, and you'll find a lot more information about it and some of the other VPNs I'm going to mention later on. All of that will be in the description below. But in order to use it and make it seem as if you're somewhere else, we would just click on this location tab, and then a window is going to pop open with all of the countries that we can connect to. Now Express has 105 countries, so you have quite a lot of places you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and type in United Kingdom in the top over here and connect up to the UK. Once I click on this location, it'll automatically connect. If it doesn't, you just click on the big connection button, and once we're connected up to the UK, now you can go back into Netflix or whichever streaming provider it is. You just refresh the page. In most cases with Amazon, it's a little different. You have to make sure that the address you're connecting to matches the connection in the VPN. So for example, I'm connected to the UK in the VPN. When I would go to Amazon Prime Video, you would want to go to amazon.co.uk. That's the website to access Prime Video in the UK. But in any case, with the VPN connected, the website is going to think that you're in the United Kingdom, and now you'd be able to access all the movies and TV shows available in that location. Talking about the UK, one of the most recent developments has been the Online Safety Act. This is a bunch of new regulations that went into effect in the United Kingdom, restricting what users can view online unless they pass age verification checks in order to be able to access content that the government has deemed adult only. And while this started in the UK, it has been spreading to many other countries, including Australia and even the United States. Just one example here, if we go to X, they have age assurance policies in place, and in order to access certain parts of the site, you do have to submit ID verification or do a selfie check in order to prove your age. Now this is a tremendous privacy risk and it's super annoying on top of that, but with a VPN you can just connect to a different country, one where they do not have these new laws in place, and then you would no longer need to go through these ID or age verification checks. Two other really popular reasons to use a VPN are going to be, one, if you're gaming, a VPN can get you a much more direct connection over to a game server. So let's say you're playing Warzone, we can just find out where the game servers are. That information is easily available online. You would just find the closest game server to you and then connect to that location in the VPN, directly linking your internet connection over to the game server. And if you are having issues with your ping, it can get much better with a VPN connected. The last reason in today's video is going to be when you're accessing cryptocurrency exchanges, online betting, or sports betting websites. All of these kinds of sites are heavily regulated by your location, different governments, and even within a government, places like in the United States, different states may have stricter policies than other states. That means if you're traveling, you may lose access to your account and no longer be able to use these platforms. Again, a VPN allows you to choose exactly which location you want to connect from, and then you can get back into your account as if you were still back home. So those are some of the top reasons to use a VPN. Now, which VPN should you pick? I would recommend ExpressVPN to anybody starting out. It's super simple and easy to use, 105 locations, great speeds, and it's also one of the safest and most secure VPNs out there. They have brought in big auditing firms to check out their systems. They've done it a ton of different times, and they have been verified as a secure, privacy-friendly company. Now, if you want something that has more features, ExpressVPN is a bit simple. And if you want something that just gives you a lot more options, NordVPN is the one I would recommend. You just get a ton of different features here. You get some more countries with 126, and you get some really nice add-ons like Threat Protection Pro, which is a whole bunch of tools to protect your data and protect you while you're online. Lastly, if you're on a budget, Surfshark is going to be the best option for somebody who wants a really high quality VPN, very similar to Nord. You get a lot of different features, 100 countries to connect to, but it also comes in at the cheapest price of these three. So if you're on a budget, it's a great way to go. Although regardless of which one you decide to choose, I did manage to get a hold of discount links for each of these three VPNs in order so that you can get the best possible price. And you'll find that in the description, as well as full in-depth reviews for each of these VPNs in case you want to find out more about a particular one. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always looking to hear what you guys have to say. Thanks so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.